HA. You think you're going to win? Well, guess what, you're highly mistaken.
You're right, good luck with that. You're going to majorly lose.
How cute, a little boy believes in himself.
Little. WHO, are you calling little?
Oh, did I not say it correctly? I said the little boy.
Just shut up.
No, I am gonna do this till you give up.
I will never give up.
Well, guess what you just did, HA, huh?
Darn, you won, now I am sad.